எழுத்தென்ப இவ்வியடும் கண்ணென்ப வாழும் உயிர்க்கு பொருள் எண் மற்றும் எழுத்து என்று சொல்லுபடுவன ஆகிய இருவகை கலிகையும் வாழும் மக்களுக்கு கண்கள் என்று கூறுவர்.
International news. The United States and Russia have agreed to hold a peace summit in Alaska. Israel has announced plans to take control of Gaza City. National news. Nomination to Jammu and Kashmir Assembly outside the realm of elected government. RSS Chief Mohan Gawar raised concerns over the commercialization of healthcare and education in India. Sports news. India qualified for the AFC U20 Women's Asian Cup football for the first time. Indian boxer challenged gold medal at the Asian U19 Boxing Championship in Bangkok. Thank you.